Welcome to day 12 of the 30 mixed media card challenge. So all the videos cover cards that can be made using the crafting supplies you've got at home. You'll find them in the description below, on the screen, just on my channel. And today we're going to make this card here. So let's get started.
I'm just using an ordinary piece of card folded in half, or a card blank if you like to buy them. And I'm just going to stick some lace on. So you could use any lace you want. Just cut it to about the size of the card. I mean, if you like to do it precisely, please do. I've just cut mine approximately. I think it gives a nice effect. And I'm just going to glue it on with an ordinary glue stick. You could use a PVA based glue, any glue you've got really, but a glue stick's quite nice to use because I don't have to wait hours for it to dry. And just press your lace on. Now obviously you could cover half the card, all the card. I'm choosing to cover pretty much the whole of the front. And then I've printed this onto a book page. Now if you want the things that I've got for you to print on, I've got a few different ones, just click the link on the description below or on the screen and you'll go to my website and then it'll give you access to the resource area just for your email address. And don't worry, you can unsubscribe at any time. But obviously you could print off anything on a book page that you find on the internet. So do feel free to get creative. And then I'm just cutting it down by tearing the edges off, and I'm using a metal ruler to do that. It's really effective. You can just place your ruler where you want to cut and then pull the paper off. And you get a really nice torn edge, which is a nice effect. If you want to cut them neatly, feel free. It depends what effect you're going for, and you can see it's just a little bit not gone perfectly there. I'll just take that off. And then I'm just going to stick that down. Now what you could do is use some sort of foam pads to raise it up, but I'm just going to stick it down flat using my glue stick, keep it simple. And again, I'm just going to eyeball where to put this. You can, if you like, measure, if you want to be absolutely precise, getting it in the centre, but I'm just going to look at it and put it where I think. Oh. And then I'm going to make sure that sticks down. Obviously I'm sticking to the lace and to the card underneath sort of. So if you've got a really thick lace, you'll only be sticking to the lace. So just make sure. Now I'm going to use this greeting. Now I'm using with condolences, but this is off a sheet. Well, I think there's 2 sheets of greetings that you can get for free. Again, you'll be able to access these if you just visit our website and sign up. Link on the screen in the description below. And I'm going to stick this one on with some foam pads just to give it a bit more of a 3D effect. And then that will be it. Now, if you've enjoyed this card, please give me a thumbs up so it spreads to more people. And on the screen, you'll be able to see the whole playlist of these videos to make the whole set of 30 cards.